Hey there, happy April to all of our friends at Momentum Real Estate Group. We wanted to send you guys a market update in April to kind of let people know what's going on in the market because I think there's been, right, the media can sensationalize anything, and it's often hard to see like it's going up, is it going down, what's really happening. So we wanted to do a monthly update that's going to be coming out moving forward. So here's where we're at for the month of April. Every year we see an increase of inventory at the beginning of the year as we roll, through the holidays into the start of the new year. And inventory increases. This was probably the first year since I've been licensed, so for about 8 years now, where inventory rose very quickly. And my question was, are we going to move into a buyer's market? Because we saw a couple of months of pretty steady increases, whereas usually we see a drop back around March. This time, as we go into March, we see those numbers from February. This year, we didn't see it until April, but they did show up. So we were sitting at about a 4 month supply of inventory when the year started. Which is a balanced market between a buyer and a seller. Whereas we've been in a seller's market, as long as I have my license. And typically we see markets shift every 7 years. So we've been on borrowed time for a couple of years now. And so, as we've been watching it, we've been watching to see if it moves off that kind of 4 month mark as we progress into spring, and we did. We just have officially dropped below 3 months supply of inventory, meaning, what does that mean to you? It's a strong seller's market. Now, it doesn't mean it's a bad time to buy. In fact, interest rates are almost 1% lower than they were 6 months ago, which is incredible to think of. For a lot of buyers, that's about 10% more in buying power. So for people who've maybe looked at purchasing in the past or who have kind of considered like, well, it's a seller's market, I don't know if I want to buy. What creates a seller's market is supply and demand. It has nothing to do if it's a good time to buy or not. And so in fact, now is a good time. With interest rates being so low. And so those are the two big factors that we've been looking at over the last month. What's happened to our inventory? It's sold, and so we're starting to see that increase towards the seller's market compared to January. And on the buy side, interest rates are very low. If you have questions or you've been kind of toying around, what it could look like to sell and buy or make your first purchase or whatever that looks like, we'd love to chat with you. That way we can help you understand the market at an even greater level. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you want to see a property analysis on your property, just go over to sellandbyarizona.com and you can get a free quick analysis on your property. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.